Lunch I reheated baked chicken thighs. I sliced the bits of the fresh Mexican cheese. I sliced fresh cucumber and sprinkled it with salt. And I pulled a few celery sticks from my prep box. This is my second course. For first course I have soup of everything, cream of everything from 3 days ago, which I added some fresh grinded black pepper. And I will have tea, half empty. I need to add hot water in it. And this is my lunch. For dinner I'm gonna have bacon wrapped mini hot dogs, and this winner has cheese inside and it will melt in microwave. That's the plan, of course. This is good brand hot dogs, Oscar Mayer's, and this one is with cheese. 10 minutes later, magic happened. Check out this. Melted cheese inside. And bacon.